Alright, I haven't showed you guys my new car. The Impala took a crack. The transmission went out, so I limped it into green Toyota and came away with this Dodge Dart. I just got done equipping it for Lyft and Uber. I have 2 security cameras running. For security, this vehicle is equipped. Consent given by entering Lyft. Still don't have my Uber stickers. Another sign. Lyft. Got a little sign back here that says I got a charger cable, aux cable. You can see I got 4 cables, the aux cables and chargers, so anybody can basically hook anything up to the aux and get a charge at the same time. Paper towels, puke things, couple of them. Got this Ozium for after people get out and they stink. Umbrella. I got the mace stashed down here in this little pocket. Plenty of batteries going on. Charger cables up to the phone, up to the GoPro here. Gonna have the Van True mounted here. That's about it. That's about it. A.m. and we'll go into the dispensary. First Lyft ride to the dispensary. They had to come to Quick and Easy to get cash and a drink to stand in line with.
From an unknown number. Never give out your phone number, verification code, or other personal information. This call may be monitored and or recorded for security purposes.
Hello?
Yes, how long before you get here?
I have no idea. I got my other passengers in the car. I'll be dropping them off in a few minutes and I'll be on my way.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
It's cool.
Alright.
Bye.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
Made sure I had cash in case their ATM machine or whatever doesn't work.
Yeah, they could very possibly run out of money.
That is possible.
Headies.
Well, that's cool. Let them sit inside
Head
and
east
wait
toward
till
North
fucking
5th Street,
deliver.
then turn right onto North 5th Street.
What deliver? They have a delivery? Yeah, they got a delivery coming. Really? Yeah. I know that place delivers.
Continue on North 5th Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Oh, they do have weed delivery.
I know, but that's not what they're waiting on.
Oh, I really probably don't want to know.
What do you mean a weed delivery? Like a DoorDash can bring you your weed?
I think that place delivers.
They have it in California.
I think this place delivers.
They have their personal delivery drivers?
Or
they use like...
I think it's legal.
Or
Yeah.
Uber Eats or something.
No, I think they do it just right out of the store.
No shit.
Really? Yeah.
What's the address? 628 East Adams. What did it say when you were... what's the name of the place?
ACI Alternatives.
HCI?
Yeah. ACI.
In 800 feet, turn right onto North 7th Street.
It'll have a glowing sign or shit.
Yeah, I'm curious.
ACI should be
Oh,
green.
he's traffic. Guess where they're all coming from.
Yeah, you'd think that...
A lot of people go to work at this time.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's a holiday, too. All the state offices are closed.
That's true. That's right, all the state offices are closed.
be an educating experience because I'm sure this is the first time of 1,000. We're dropping people here. Adams and 7. Right, with all the hotels. Perfect.
That's it.
There it is. Right
Yeah,
in the
I see
corner.
it. See,
Your destination is on the right.
Oh God, look at that line. What? They got porta potties out and everything.
Really?
that's exit. Okay.
It's good. It's good.
I want to find the correct place.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Okay. Here we go. Oh wow.
This is gonna be fun.
Oh wow. Yeah. Lucky you went and got drinks.
Yeah.
I thought you said 30 people still.
Oh
Well,
wow.
At the time, you can always come
Yeah.
back.
Here you go.
Thank
All
you,
right,
sir.
man. You have a great evening.
Yeah.
Or morning.
Head west on East Adams Street toward South 6th Street, East Old State Capitol Plaza. Then turn right onto South 6th Street.